To use curry paste, choose the type of curry that fits the level of spice you want. For example, green curry is very spicy, while yellow curry is more sweet and mild, and red curry is somewhere in between. Whichever curry paste you choose, cook it for 1 to 2 minutes with 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters of olive oil to help release the flavor of the curry before adding it to a dish. To tone down the flavor of spicier curries, such as green curry, combine the curry with a bit of coconut milk to taste. Once you've cooked the curry, mix equal parts curry paste and olive oil to make a marinade. Or, simply coat a piece of meat with the paste before cooking it if you don't want to wait for it to marinate. You can also mix curry paste into soups, sauces, or even the water you use for cooking rice.